Here's what we're gonna do. I'll walk with you guys over here, and I'll show you a really good spot. Here, come on. Fun.
You have
Cool.
beautiful eyes.
You do too. Thank you. It was very nice meeting you.
Yeah, me too.
Do you maybe want to go grab some dinner later tonight? Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Aaron, and I'm back with another brand new Infield pickup for you guys.
Another one.
This was just filmed a couple of days ago in Miami South Beach. I was down there doing a one-on-one boot camp. The day after the boot camp, we shot some Infield, got some gold for you guys. So we're gonna crack into this in a second, but I have to let you know, I have to tell you, this is a video unlike any other I've ever posted in the channel, and I'll tell you why. So I had the idea, as I was filming this, to kind of narrate what was happening in my head and the mindset that I was in. Now, I narrated before the approach as well as after the approach. And I'm just kind of talking about some really cool day game concepts of what was happening in that moment, what was going through my head. And the hope in sharing this with you is that you can see what I'm doing to see the results I get in the field, and you can replicate it and do it as well. So you guys are really gonna love this video. Stick around to the very end because it's just packed with non-stop gold. Now, if you're serious about getting good at day game, and you should be, because it is my firm belief that getting good at day game is the 100% surefire way that you can guarantee for the rest of your life that you can have the relationships that you want with the women that you want on your terms. If you're serious about getting good at day game, you have to go over to thrivedaygame.com, check out my full-length day game course. It is jam-packed with not only a ton of exclusive infields that are not here on the channel, all broken down, as well as including the raw, uncut infields with them. But on top of that, it is just so much day game knowledge, and I put you guys on a system. It's a 10-week system complete with weekly goals that I want you guys to hit. I'm breaking down brand new concepts for you each and every week, designed so that way you can start as maybe even a guy that's never approached before, or at least at a newbie level, and you can end by being extremely proficient in being able to go out and meet women. It's jam-packed with bonuses, including the Closers Masterclass, including Boot Camp in a Box. Just go over to thrivedaygame.com as soon as you're done watching this video and sign up. Guys love this course. Guys have seen tons and tons of results by using everything I teach inside of Thrive, and now it's time for you to sign up and join the team. Enjoy this video. I'll see you guys soon. So something I want to even bring up right now when it comes to the energy that I'm having as I'm walking around is, you know, a sticking point of mine throughout the years has been that when I go out to film Infield, I feel as though there's more pressure. All right, I got to get a really good interaction for the channel, stuff like that. And a lot of you guys experience that as well when you go out just to do game in general, because you're thinking, okay, this interaction needs to be perfect. I need to go in, I need to have it be phenomenal. I have to get that number. And if you don't get that, you're kind of devastated. And again, I've experienced that a little bit myself when I've gone out to do Infield, because, you know, this is my business now and I need to get really good Infield for the channel. And so I'll experience that same sort of pressure that you guys experience just doing game, period. So the energy that I have right now as I'm just kind of walking around here is just, if it happens, it happens. If I come across a girl, cool. I'm gonna approach that girl. We're gonna have a good conversation. I don't know if it'll be incredible. I don't know if it's gonna suck. And I don't care. It's like another level of attachment that I've had to embody. And if you guys can develop this level of attachment as well for your pickups, then you're gonna have the same sort of calm, natural energy that I have walking around, and then I'm gonna be able to relay into my sets. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm not selling anything. I think you're both beautiful. I wanted to say hi. What's your name? Do you guys want to talk to me for a second? What's your name?
My name is...
I'm Aaron, hi. And who are you? Nice to meet you. Hi. I just thought you guys were really pretty. I wanted to see what was up. Yeah. What are y'all up to?
We are looking for food for dinner.
Oh, for food? Okay. Well, I just ate, but here's what we're gonna do. I'll walk with you guys over here, and I'll show you a really good spot. Here, come on. Huh?
Where you are taking us?
We're just gonna walk like one block. So do you see the green? You see those green umbrellas right there?
You
It's-
work there?
No, I do not. I just know this area very well, and that's my favorite lunch spot. I would join you, but I just
I
ate.
understand, like spa.
Oh, spa?
Yeah.
You're coming to a spa with
and I
me?
think that you are want to buy.
Oh, like sell you something?
Yeah.
No. I have nothing to sell. I'll sell you my love, but that's
You are American.
all I have.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from, it's called Ohio.
Okay. And you are here for vacation?
I am. I used to live here. I'm thinking about living here again.
Okay.
So now I'm here to kind of scope out the
You are
area.
here alone or you are with a friend?
I have friends here from when I lived here, so
And now?
I'm visiting them.
Now
Now I'm just hanging out.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are not, now you are invited out, us, or what?
Inviting you?
Yes, understand you.
I mean, I'm gonna show you this
No,
food
no,
spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, only I'm asking you. It's only a question.
Oh, I see. Yeah. What you guys been doing all day?
¿Qué decir? We are
Nothing, or only we are looking for a lunch and then we are going to go to the bank. We need to do something to the bank.
Okay.
And we walk for this place here.
Fun.
You have
Cool.
beautiful eyes.
You do too. Thank you. You got the what do you call that? An inner corner.
Yeah.
The pink inner corner. Some girl I follow on Instagram, she always shows the inner corner.
Yeah. And how old are you?
28. How old are you?
I put her 21. For 21.
You're 20.
I'm from Argentina. And she's from Colombia.
Okay. Tell me your name again.
Sí.
It's very pretty. And you're from Colombia.
Yes.
Cool. Nice. Well, so I think you guys should eat here at the next cafe. Yeah,
Thank you.
it's very good.
Sí.
It was very nice meeting you.
Yeah, me too.
Do you maybe want to go grab some dinner later tonight?
Okay.
Cool. Take down my phone number.
Ay, no.
Ay, Dios mío. Here, I'll pop it in here for
Do
you.
you speak Spanish? No.
Here. Un poquito. Yo hablo un poquito español.
Ah, bueno. Es lo único que sabe, ¿vale? Sí.
You have an American phone number, right?
No, Argentina.
Okay,
But
add
you
me
can-
on WhatsApp.
Más uno,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Give me a hug. Come here. Let's go grab some dinner later tonight.
Okay.
About siete.
Oh, very early.
Siete. Oh, maybe
9.
9.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get dinner at 9
Because in
o'clock.
Argentina we
Late
like,
night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 9 or 10.
Do you approve of this?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Come here. You're adorable. I'll see you at 9, okay?
Okay.
We'll do I'll text you about it, but we'll probably meet up somewhere over here.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Well, I want to go to Forever 21.
Oh,
So
to
I'll
buy
be
clothes.
there.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
perfect. All right.
Okay,
I'll see you guys later.
Okay,
Kiss my
see you.
cheek. Give me a kiss goodbye. Right here. See ya. Okay, so again, just a very solid, natural energy that I even brought into that interaction as I was You guys can probably just sense how relaxed I was within that. Just very solid number close, cute little Argentinian girl, as she said. But I kind of like this idea of narrating as I'm out here, because I think that if I'm explaining to you guys my mindsets while I'm out here picking up chicks, then it's going to be able to help you guys. And if I can explain to you how I'm feeling, it'll help you guys feel the same. And I'm telling you, man, mood and energy and just your view of the world. I was just talking to a guy in the group who he said, in the Facebook group, he said that he had just gone out and done Daygame for the first time in a while, and that he went out and he said it went very, very poorly, and that he felt very, very creepy while he was out there, as if he was like bothering and harassing the girls. Make sure that's definitely pointed at me. Okay, so, he feels like he's, kind of out harassing the girls, he's being creepy. And I said that, well, the reason why your interactions were not going well is because you felt that way. If you just had this very chill, positive, I'm gonna give value energy to you, whatever happens is gonna happen. I don't have to have it be incredible. I'm just gonna chill, talk to some girls, enjoy myself, enjoy my life. If you bring that energy to these interactions, the energy again is just gonna transfer right onto the girl, and she's gonna feel that. She's gonna feel that.